Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing awesome today because today we are going to review the Forchics Eyebrow Serum. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. Okay guys, so this is a Forchics for Eyebrow Serum and we are going to unbox this and we're going to have a lot of fun. Not really, because this is going to be like a short video, so... Okay, so how this started was Forchics. They emailed me one day. They said that they like my videos and such from TikTok, and I so appreciate you guys for having me test this out. They asked me if I wanted to review the For Brows Eyebrow Serum, and I told them that I would. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this. Let's begin. Okay guys, so this is a box for brows and we are going to go ahead and read a couple of stuff on here. So apparently this is for thicker, fuller brows and it has an advanced formula and also it has natural ingredients. On the dosage here for the packaging, it says apply nightly directly to the roots of the eyebrows using the applicators provided. If you miss a dose, just apply For Brow solution the next evening. Additional applications for brow solution will not increase the growth of your eyebrows faster. I've never tried this product before. I don't know if you guys have, but I am interested in knowing, does it really make your eyebrows fuller and thicker? Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is what this looks like. This is for brows. I like the pink. It's like a pink rosy tone. Thing, almost looking like a mascara. So yes, looks very interesting. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it's a cute little wand. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's go ahead and smell this. So first of all, this has quite a potent smell to it. I don't know exactly what kind of smell it has, but it's not sweet. I don't know how this is going to work, but yeah, let's see what else that they have on here. So it does come with a little pamphlet thing on there, like this, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and read just some of this. So the key benefits: provide effective protection against breakage and naturally support more voluminous looking brows. Rich minerals to help replenish brows with essential proteins and vitamins that provide a luster and shine. Unique moisturizing agents provide superior hydration to brows by locking in moisture while improving flexibility and elasticity. I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm going to go ahead and try this here for a couple of days and see what happens if I broke out or anything, because you know, like if you're gonna put this on your eyebrows and such, and you know, it might accidentally like smear all over your face or something, I might be like rubbing it, because sometimes I'm always like rubbing my eyebrows just because I want to know that my eyebrows are there. If you guys are interested in the Forchics For Brows Serum, you can go ahead and go to www.forchics.com. If you want to save some money, you can go ahead and use my code FOR10. That means you will get 10% off your product. I think that's about it, guys. I will come back to you guys. I will let you guys know how it goes, and I will probably post a picture or something in the next video when I have tried this out. If you guys are looking for some nice lashes like the ones that I'm wearing from Breslay Co, or you like my contacts that I'm wearing, I am wearing the Ocean Green right now, and I will put the links down below. And yeah, I think that's about it, guys. This was a very short video, and if you have any comments or any questions that you might have or whatever, go ahead and put it down at the bottom. I love you, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye-bye.